So I guess this is gonna be the intro. I didn't really film much. This is my car over there, and we got the guest appearance, Dev. I don't think we ever really had a video of your car aside from the one that we never released.
We need to redo it anyway.
Yeah, I never. Hold up. Is that Integra? Get that zoom. Look at that. I got that zoom now, man. Before my iPhone, I ain't get none of that. That's crazy. But yeah. All right. Damn, this is like slam.
Yo, look at that.
This is nice. What are those? Cosmos? Yeah, I like those. The Evo. I mean,
I was gonna say,
hey, he jamming.
Japan.
He jamming. I appreciate that, but
yo, I f this a lot. Honestly, I might.
Here often. Oh, that's the JDM dude.
Yeah.
Some more.
A while on the bike.
Oh, this is a Pinto. I like it. I didn't even know. I know they still had those out. Could have swore they like blow up.
Is that Jeremy's car?
Nah, he ain't coming.
Can't afford it. Oh damn, he's gonna take my.
Dang.
Yo.
Yeah, hold on, wait. No, we gotta go down the rows. Hey, stop jumping rows, bro.
Stop jumping rows.
Yeah. How you think every car Jeffrey?
Look, you know he drives a.
God dang, I'm gonna have to cut that out. You making it real hard to stop talking.
Oh, he probably does.
Nice right here. Yeah, he's low too. Nah, he fired, bro. When they did that?
From that direction and shut down the meet completely.
Wait, was that when you in the truck or is that when you in your car?
That was in my car.
Oh, yo, look at the color. Oh my gosh. That's fresh. I like that. You should have got the lights on the top too. I respect that.
I mean,
fair enough.
Granted, running from it was kind of fun back in the day, but not anymore.
Oh man, you see that's purple?
Yeah, man, that's rap. I ain't gonna lie.
Looks like he had the Lambo doors on this.
Oh, the butterflies?
Yeah.
The speakers, bro. The speakers.
Nice. Yeah, like it's like.
Hey, that's Jeremy rims.
Shine. Nah, ain't. Oh yeah, they are.
I mean, Jeremy.
I mean, not his exactly, but the same brand. Okay, has the bed.
Hey, you walk the one way here.
Oh, you do a burn off right there. Damn. Honestly, I think this is like my favorite car here. Y'all know I want this so bad. Like, nah, I ain't gonna be behind him no more.
With a pack of cigarettes at.
Yo, that's how dark I'm on my tent though. Like,
Bro.
that's how.
These boys be coming in wild. Yeah, rap it.
Yo, I'm
Rap it.
I'm proud to be
Give it a little something. Okay. Rev it.
Grab it. Grab that bad boy.
That's what I'm talking about. There we go. Yeah.
That's what I'm talking
Yeah.
about right there. Yeah! Woo! Rev it, rev it!
Yeah, I hear a turbo. Here we go. Yeah, Mopar gang. Respect, respect.
I'm gonna say you just burn off of your tires. Talk about the seriousness.
Is that the same one? Well, I can confirm that's not Jeffrey. Those chops stepping on this A-hill.
Oh, you are stepping on the whole.
Yeah, that's why I moved to the side. Yo.
I'm looking at trying to get out.
Yeah.
It's like I don't want none of this.
The old guy's like, what's going on here? All these whippersnappers, what's going on? Yeah. Back riders. I got the feeling ending because my battery dying, but I'm gonna try to get it. So what you want to say at the end, Dev? It's a wrap? Don't say anything ghetto, come on.
It's a spinning rap.
Alright, yeah, that's it, Dev. Alright, see y'all.
Wanna make some moves instead of chill. She said it's all about me, no, it's all about you. Yeah, she tryna keep it cool. I'm just tryna set the mood. She wanna chill, let the bull. How about I walk through ocean waves with the bay? Cause we always make it.